Get immersed in every scene and moment of sound with the Bose Lifestyle Ultra Soundbar. In this video, we'll walk you through the initial setup and take a quick look at the controls. Inside the box, you'll find your Bose Lifestyle Ultra Soundbar, a power cord, a high-speed HDMI cable, and product documentation. Now, let's set up your soundbar. Begin by centering the soundbar in front of your TV and placing it as close as possible to the front edge of the shelf or stand. For the best sound quality, make sure the up-firing and side-firing speakers aren't blocked. You can also wall-mount the soundbar. Watch our support video if you need additional help. Next, let's connect the soundbar to your TV. Connect one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI eARC port on the back of the soundbar. Connect the other end into the HDMI eARC or ARC port on your TV. We recommend that you don't power on your TV until you have completed setting up the soundbar. Connect the power cord to the power port on the back of the soundbar, and then plug the other end into a power outlet. The soundbar automatically powers on. The status light slowly pulses a series of colors the first time it's powered on. To complete setup and take advantage of everything your soundbar has to offer, you'll need to download the Bose App. To quickly find the app, scan the QR code located on the Quick Start Guide. Once it finishes installing, open the app and log in with a My Bose account. From the My Bose screen, tap Set Up New Product. A scan will begin searching for your soundbar. Once it appears, tap Add, and then tap Pair. Now connect the soundbar to your Wi-Fi network. Confirm your soundbar is positioned correctly and that it's connected to your TV. If you plan on creating a home theater system, tap Get Started. Otherwise, tap Skip in the top right corner. For help with building a home theater system, watch our configuration support video next. You can always set up a home theater system at a later time. There are also some finishing touches you can complete at any time to dial in the full experience. You can calibrate the sound of your system to your room's acoustics, listen to a sound demo on your system, give your soundbar its own unique name, set up voice control via Amazon Alexa, take a product tour of all your soundbar's features, and build a home theater system. Now, let's take a look at the controls located on the top of the soundbar. There's a Bluetooth button, microphone off button, action button, a volume down and volume up button, and a play-pause button. In addition to using the volume up and down buttons, you can also swipe clockwise on the volume ring to quickly increase the volume, or swipe counterclockwise to quickly decrease the volume. Double tap the play-pause button to skip to the next track, and triple tap to skip to the previous track. If you've set up Amazon Alexa on your soundbar, you can use your voice to summon Alexa, or you can tap the action button. Use the microphone off button to turn off the microphone. Use the Bluetooth button to connect a mobile device for Bluetooth audio streaming. You can store up to 8 devices in the Bluetooth device list. You can also stream audio from a mobile device with AirPlay, Google Cast, and Spotify Connect. To quickly switch between a Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connected source back to your TV's HDMI connection, touch and hold the play-pause button for 3 seconds until the status light blinks white twice. You're all set up. For additional support, visit our website or watch another video.